Hey everyone, hope you're doing well. In this video I'm going to be doing a quick unboxing and review of the Syncwire cell phone holder which I purchased off Amazon for £13.99. This is an air vent cell phone car mount, so it attaches to the air vent in your car and basically holds your mobile phone in place for you. It also does come with another method of using the mount, so instead of using the air vent you can stick it to your dashboard, but I'm going to be showing the air vent method. So this is what comes in the box. You get the mount itself. This is the installation guide and instructions, so you can just have a quick read through that. This is how you'd basically mount the phone. It gives you some information so you can have a look. Then it comes with a alcohol wipe and 3M sticky tape. So this is if you want to stick it to your dashboard, you can wipe the area and stick it down, but I'm not going to be doing that. So this here is the vent holder. So this will clasp inside the air vent and then hold the phone mount in place. And this is the sticky holder. So this will stick to your dashboard and hold the mount in place. So you can choose either one, whichever suits your needs. And then this is the actual mount itself. So it's by a company called Syncwire. It's got their logo there. It's got like a bit of a soft feel back so it doesn't scratch your phone. It's got a plastic nut on the back which holds the mounting in place. And it's got a spring-loaded gravity mechanism as I'm showing here. So when you put your phone in, the bottom legs come down and that pulls the arms in on the side to hold your phone in place. So now I'm going to be putting in the air vent mechanism, a holding mechanism. So basically I'm just going to push that into the round hole on the back with the nut and then screw the nut down to hold it in place. So there we go. Screw the nut and that will tighten and hold it in place. So the ball mount will give you good adjustability, so you can face it towards you and get it in your ideal driving position. And there you go, it's very sturdy. When you tighten the nut down it doesn't move. And the spring-loaded mechanism which holds it onto the vent is really sturdy as well. And there we go. The build quality is actually really nice. It's made of plastic, but it's actually really nice mechanism as well. So here I'm just showing that it has feet on there which hold the phone in place, which can be adjusted to suit different thickness phones. So you can see that there's a different distance on the one side and then a smaller distance on the other side. So if your phone's slimmer, you can actually pull these off, turn them around 180 degrees, and then you can basically accommodate a thinner phone. So it will hold your phone more sturdy if it's a slimmer model. So there you go, I've just turned it around. You can see the gap is now smaller. So this will hold your phone better. So now I'm just using a power bank that I have, which is exactly the same size as my phone, just as reference, because I'm using my phone to film. So this basically will be a reference of what the phone's like. So once it's in place, you can see it holds it really, really well. Even though I'm putting it upside down, it doesn't want to fall out at all. You can see how the gravity mechanism, spring mechanism works, where the phone goes in, it pushes the legs down on the bottom and pulls the arms in on the side and holds it in place. So there you can see it's really good. Doesn't want to fall out at all and it feels very sturdy. So now let's go and install it in my car. So here I've got the air vent holder in my hand. So I'm going to be installing this into my air vent and then installing the mount onto it. So then all you want to do is just push the button down so it opens up the clasp, and then just slide it over the slats that are running along your air vent as such. Then you want to get the mount itself and just push it onto the ball and then tighten the nut down. Don't forget to put the nut, otherwise you'll have to pull it off and put the nut back in there. But make sure you put the nut and then put the mount, tighten the nut down, and then adjust it to your driving position. And there it is installed. It's as easy as that. So you can see it holds it in very well. It doesn't allow it to move at all. It's very sturdy. The gravity mechanism works really well as well. It does stick a little bit, but I think once I use it a few times it will work a lot better. And that's it. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Definitely check it out on Amazon. I'm not affiliated with this product at all, but I do think it's actually a really good phone mount. It's got good reviews on Amazon too. So if you do like it, then please let me know. If you enjoyed the video, please like, share, subscribe. Let me know if you want me to review anything else, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.